Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter number 5, that is the admission of a partner. Today's topic is how to calculate the hidden goodwill. Sometimes the value of the goodwill of the firm is not given in the question. Then you have to calculate goodwill on the basis of new partner's capital. Then we will understand the question from TSK. Question number 40. The question is, Vinay and Naman are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:1. Their capitals were rupees 90,000 and rupees 70,000 respectively. They admitted Pratik for 1/3 share in the profits. Pratik brought rupees 1 lakh as his capital. Calculate the value of the firm's of goodwill. On the basis of Pratik capital, the total capital of the firm, Pratik's capital is rupees 1 lakh 4 by 3rd share. Reciprocal per share 3 by 1, and you will get 3 lakh. This is the total capital of the new firm. After that, we have to less capital of the Vinay, and capital of second partner Naman. And we also deduct new partner capital, Pratik capital. Their capitals are 90,000, 90, 70, and 1 lakh. Minus 170, 90, 190, 70, 260. 3 lakh minus 2 lakh 60,000, we will get only 40,000. This is the goodwill of the firm. I hope you understood. Next topic is how to prepare revaluation account in case of admission of a partner. I have already told you how to prepare revaluation account. We will solve question number 50. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/4 share. At the time of admission of Z stock, book value rupees 1 lakh is to be reduced by 40%, and furniture book value rupees 60,000 is to be reduced to 40%. Pass the necessary journal entries. We can also prepare revaluation account in working note. Revaluation account. First point is stock is to be reduced by 40%. Then we will write to stock on debit side, to stock account. Stock value is given 1 lakh. 40% of 1 lakh is 40,000. Stock is reduced by 40,000. And second point, furniture. Furniture is given 60,000. And we will calculate 40% of 60,000. That is 24,000. Then you write to furniture account, 24,000. 60 minus 24, 636. The value of furniture is reduced by 36,000. We have to add for the figures, so 40 and 36, we get 76,000. We will transfer on the right side 76,000. We have to write by loss transfer to capital account X and Y. Ratio 3:2, 76,000 divided by 45,600 and divided here 30,600. 400, 30,400. Now the first entry is revaluation account debit. Revaluation account debit to stock account, and to furniture account. So 40,000 and furniture 36,000, 76,000. And second entry is X capital account debit, Y capital account debit to revaluation account 45,600 and 30,200 to 76,000. Loss transfer to partners capital account is a narration. Then next question is question number 60. 60 question number. The question is given below is the balance sheet of A and B who are carrying on partnership business on 31st March 20. A and B share profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Balance sheet is given. And there are some adjustments. C is admitted as a new partner on 1st April 2020 on the following terms. C will bring 1 lakh as his capital and 60,000 as his share of goodwill for 1/4 share in the profit. Plant is to be appreciated to rupees 1,20,000 and the value of building is to be appreciated by 10%. Stock is found overvalued by rupees 4,000. A provision for doubtful debt is to be created at 5% on debtors. Creditors are unrecorded to the extent of rupees 1,000. Pass the necessary journal entries, prepare the revaluation account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet after thus admission of C. First of all, you have to maintain the revaluation account. 60, question number 60. Revaluation account. Plant is to be appreciated to 1,20,000. Plant is given the balance sheet that is 1 lakh and the adjustment it is 1,20,000. Plant increases by 20,000. You will write by plant 20,000. The value of building is to be appreciated by 10%. The value of building is also increasing by 10%, that is 10% of 1,50,000, it is 15,000 by building. Plant account, building account. The stock is found overvalued by 4,000. We write on debit side to the stock account 4,000. Next one is a provision for doubtful debts to be created at 5% on sundry debtors. Debtors is given 60,000. We will find out 5% of 60,000, that is 3,000 only. And you will write to provision for doubtful debt. To provision for doubtful debt 3,000. And last adjustment is creditors were unrecorded to the extent of 1,000. Creditors, which liability increasing. You write two creditors count 1,000. Now it's total 35,000. You transfer to the debit side 25,000. And you write to profit transfer to capital account. Profit transfer to capital account A and B. You have to deduct all the items, all the figures from 35,000, 4, 3, 7 and 8. 35 minus 8, you will get 27,000 profit. This amount is divided among the partners in agreed ratio. The ratio is given 2:1. 27,000 into 2 by 3, 80,000 and 9,000. This is the revaluation account. Next account is partners capital account. Partners capital account. There are three partners A, B, and C. A, B, C, particular. This account we have to write by balance BD. By balance BD, it's the opening balance of capital of the partners. That is given the balance sheet 1,80,000 and 1,50,000. 1,80,000 and B's capital 1,50,000. And first adjustment is still bring 1 lakh as its capital. You will write by cash account. By cash or bank account, you can write anything by cash or bank account. And C column you will write 1 lakh. Now we will distribute premium for goodwill among sacrifice partners. We will write by premium for goodwill account. Goodwill amount is 60,000 and you will divide among the partners A and B. Sacrifice ratio is 2:1. If a new ratio is not given, then old ratio will be sacrifice ratio 2:1. 40,000, we will get 40,000 and we will get 20,000. There is no reserve in the balance sheet, and you will transfer profit of revaluation account 18,000, 9,000. You will write by revaluation account 18 and 9,000. 18 and 9. It's total 180 and 40, 220 and 238. 150, 70, 179,000 and into 1 lakh. We draw from debit side 2,38,000, 1,79,000 and 1 lakh, and we write 2 balance CD in the closing balance of the partners, closing capital of the partners 2,38,000, 1,79,000 and 1 lakh. Now balance sheet. Balance sheet as at first of April 2020. Assets. Liability. In liability side, you write capital accounts A, B, and C. You will take from partners capital account 238, 179, 238, 2,38,000, 1,79,000 and 1 lakh. Now bills payable, you will write bills payable 10,000. Creditors, there is adjustment linked to creditors, adjustment 1,000 unrecorded. You have to add 58,000 plus 1,000, 59,000. And there is outstanding expenses 2,000. And on asset side, cash in hand. Cash in hand is given 10,000. You will add 1,60,000, 1 lakh new partners capital and 60,000 for goodwill, and you will get 1,70,000. Next, cash at bank. Cash at bank is 40,000. Sundry debtors. Debtors is given 60,000. Less provision 3,000 and you write 57,000. Stock 40,000 minus 4,000 is 36,000 and plant 1 lakh. Now 1,20,000 it increases. And last one is building 1,80,000. Building increases, the value of building increases by 10%. That is 15,000. 1,80,000 plus 15,000. This 1,65,000. And this total is 1,279, 238. 5,17,000. The total of the balance sheet 5,88,000. 5,88,000. Okay, that's all. Thank you.